Alex here with a high conflict child custody video on unstable, erratic behavior. This is something that I remember coming up in the 2008, well, my 2008 case representing myself. My ex brought it up a few times. Um, I still see it brought up nowadays. And I hate to tell you guys, it's kind of a yellow flag to the judiciary, at least in Nevada, when they hear that. It's a very general, non-specific way to argue that your ex shouldn't have custody. I don't know how much I have to say on this video, except that if there are specific things that are erratic or unstable, that those specific things should be mentioned in whatever paperwork is being filed and whatever case is being argued, rather than just the word erratic or unstable. Um, I think that the reason why people use that is those words seem to have a lot of energy behind them, and they're sort of the last resort behind criminal in prison slash addicted to drugs or an alcoholic. It's like you can't say, or your ex can't say, that there's nothing wrong, and so therefore fall back to the erratic, unstable behavior, which, if you try to prove that, it's going to get a judge bored really quickly. Not holding a job, stays out till 3 a.m. That's like the stuff that they don't really care about, that people are concerned about because it's weird. But with the presumption of joint physical custody, just because one of you is a little weird doesn't mean they're going to want to take custody away from that person. So, I mean, if unstable is leaving the kids at home by themselves when they're 4 years old, unsupervised, and kids choking on a Lego or something, that's a more specific thing to bring to the court's attention. Another thing I've heard of was I guess there was a mom who let their minor child drive without a license, like an actual vehicle. I don't know what for and to where. Those specific things are actually probably going to get listened to, but using the word erratic or unstable, I mean, it's kind of worn out now in 2023, at least in Nevada it is. Might work just fine in other states. To be quite honest with you, there are states out there that are still going through the gender bias issues, but not here. So that's all I really have for people watching this video. Is to you, that's probably a concern when it comes to a stable life slash relationship partner. But when it comes to parenthood, it's not an ideal situation, but the courts don't really care. Ideal situations don't usually end up in front of them. Those are the cases that get settled. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down in the comments below. But this is all I've got for you guys, and I'll try to get a second video out for tomorrow.